Hi friends, this is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up, and I'm going to show you how to make Tater Tot Casserole. Feel free to hit the pause button to get the recipe for Tater Tot Casserole. Preheat your oven to 350. Grease a 9x13 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Dice up 1 small onion. In this video, I'm using my food chopper from Pampered Chef. Brown your ground burger along with your onion, your 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and mix it up a little bit. I love using the mix and chop from Pampered Chef whenever I ground my burger. Don't forget to add your 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Transfer your beef mixture to a large mixing bowl. I'm using the Scoop and Drain from Pampered Chef. Add 1/3 cup of sour cream. The Measure All cup from Pampered Chef makes measuring ingredients like this so much easier. Add 1 cup of the shredded cheddar cheese, 1 can of green beans, add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And 1 can of condensed cheddar cheese soup. Now you're going to mix everything together. Next, it is time to transfer your mixture into the prepared pan and spread everything around into an even layer. Top with an even layer of tater tots. Now it's time to transfer the pan to your oven and bake uncovered for 50 minutes until the tater tots are brown and the casserole is bubbling. Alrighty, it's definitely bubbling. Now you add your remaining cup of shredded cheddar cheese to the top. And it's time to return it to the oven and bake for another 5 minutes. You're almost done. Alrighty, my boys are looking hungry. Now it's time to dish up a bowl and let them try it out.
What do you think?
This is an easy dish that the whole family will love. It looks like the dog wants some too.
Is it good? Yummy, yummy. They like it.
Thank you so much for joining us, friends. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe below for more content like this.